and good day to you all. My name is Rekia Hassan Bako, a staff from Diabetic Herbal Medical Center, a center that boasts of experts in the field of phytotherapy. Our medicines are manufactured from 100% organic herbs, which has been tested, it's trusted, licensed, and approved by the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, to be used around the world. Our medicines are very, very effective and affordable. Well, not to waste your time, I'm going to talk about a particular disease which is called urinary tract infection. This urinary tract infection are more common in women. They usually occur in the bladder or the urethra, but more serious infection involves the kidney. What are the symptoms of this UTI, also known as urinary tract infection? First of all, there is a strong urge to urinate that doesn't go away. Second, there is a burning feeling when urinating. Next is that you tend to urinate often, but whenever you go to urinate, you pass very small amount of urine. Next is urine that looks cloudy. Whenever you urinate, your urine will look kind of like cloudy. Also, your urine might appear like red, bright pink, or color colored, which is it shows signs of blood in the urine. Also, there is a strong smelling urine. Also, there is pelvic pain in women, especially in the center of the pelvis and around the area of the pubic bone. Types of urinary tract infection: we have the kidney, we have the bladder, and the urethra. These are the three types of UTI infection. What are the causes? Whenever there is a disease, there's always, in most cases, there are also causes. What causes this UTI? Well, there's infection of the bladder. It causes UTI. Also, infection of the urethra. It also causes UTI. The risk factor that are involved in this UTI, that's those people that stand that are at the risk of contacting this UTI. And first of all, we have female anatomy. Well, under this female anatomy, women have a shorter urethra, so there is a less distance for bacteria to travel to so as to reach the bladder. So it puts women, and that is why it puts women at the risk of more risk of having this UTI compared to men. Also, there is sexual activity. Being sexually active tends to lead to UTI. That because it has to do with sex, as in sex, having sex. So you being able to have sex, maybe you have different partners, even if it's just a partner, you are also at the risk of having this UTI. Next is that if you have a certain type of birth control, maybe let's say you're using diaphragm or spermicidal agents, may increase the risk of having this UTI. And last but not the least, we have menopause. So other risk factors include urinary tract problem. We have blockage in the urinary tract. We have suppressed immune system. If you have a suppressed immune system, also if you have if you've ever, like, if catheter has been used on you, also if there is a recent urinary procedure which you've gone through. What are the complications? The complications of the and one thing you need to know before I go on to the complications. One thing you need to know is that whenever you are suffering from this urinary tract infection, it is not like other infection which you might have known. This one is very, 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 very dangerous. So whenever you see that there is any of this above symptoms which I have mentioned, come to Diabetic Herbal Medical Center. We have you tested. At the same time, we give you medicines, and these medicines are organic herbs. And whenever we're giving you this medicine, we will give you our medicines with 100% guarantee for you to be cured. Also, our medicines are very, very effective. It doesn't, like most people are scared of this side effect. There is no side effect. What are the complications of this UTI? First of all, there is repeated infection. There is permanent kidney damage. So if you don't go for treatment as soon as you can, there is permanent kidney damage. Also, there is the delivering of low birth weight or premature infant whenever the UTI occurs during pregnancy. Maybe as a pregnant woman, you're suffering from UTI, that is what will happen. And also, if you have a narrow urethra in men, from having repeated infection of the urethra, that is for men. Also, sepsis, that a potentially life-threatening complication of an infection. What are the preventive measures? The preventive measures include drinking of plenty water. Also, you should try cranberry juice. You should wipe from front to back whenever you go to the whenever you use the toilet. Also, you should empty your bladder soon after having sex. Try to go to the bathroom, wash yourself, make sure that your bladder is empty. Also, you should avoid potentially irritating feminine product. And last but not the least that I have for you today is that you should change your birth control method. So, as always, for more information, you can contact us on the following number: 070-300-99277 or 080-6367-6662. Or you can come to our head office, which is at number C21 Sophia House along Zaria Road, and we are opposite this bridge called Gadandengi, and we are beside this popular supermarket called Jifatu Store. Thank you all for listening. Till we meet next time.